Hey everyone, it's Josh here from Teach Yourself Websites. Today I wanted to show you how to install a WordPress plugin, and I'm going to show you two ways to do it. So the first way is the easiest way possible, and it's the way you probably do it most often, unless there's something funny with your server setup. So I'm going to demonstrate by installing a cool little plugin called Contact Form 7, which is the most popular contact form plugin for WordPress. So if we click on, I'm just at wordpress.org. I'm in the plugins directory, and this is pretty much where you download all the different plugins for WordPress. You can download plugins from other people's websites and install those onto your blog, but this is like the official directory of free plugins. So I've done a search for Contact Form 7. Here we go. Just another contact form plugin. It's just a really flexible little plugin that I use on a lot of my sites to put a contact form on. Alright, so the way we're going to install it first is if we go back to my test website here, go down to plugins. Actually, I'll just show you the main plugin screen. So installed plugins will show you everything that's installed on the blog at the moment, all the different plugins. And you can either click add new up here or add new in the sidebar there, it doesn't matter. And you can search for plugins this way. What this does is basically goes off to wordpress.org and searches for the plugin that you're looking for. So I'm just going to type in the name of the plugin, Contact Form 7. It brings up all the search results there. If I click install now, it asks me whether I want to install the plugin. I click OK. And that's gone off to WordPress and downloaded the plugin for us. It's installed it into WordPress, and now I'm going to click on activate. And that's it. So the next method that I want to show you is how to install it manually. Alright, so I've just deleted the Contact Form 7 plugin, and I'm going to show you how to do it manually. Let's go back to this wordpress.org entry for Contact Form 7. If you look over here on the right, there's a big download button, and if I click on that, it'll download a zip file of the plugin, and I'm going to basically take this zip file and upload it manually to the server. Alright, to be able to install a plugin manually, what you need to do is first take the archive and unpack it and unzip it. So on Mac that's easy, you just double click a zip file. On Windows there's you can just right click and click unzip, or you can use something like WinZip or WinRAR to unarchive that package. Now what we see here is the folder and the contents of the plugin itself. I'm going to use a program called Filezilla to upload this to the web server. Alright, so now I'm in my Filezilla and I've connected to my web server. What I need to do is on the right here, go to WP content directory. You'll see a plugins directory there. And when you go in here, you'll see a list of all the folders showing the different plugins that you have installed. I haven't got any real plugins installed other than the default ones. So if I come over to the left, you'll see we've got our zip file here, and I've got the unpackaged directory. I just need to take that directory, left click and drag it across to the right, or you can right click and click upload. And once that has finished transferring, we'll be able to install it in WordPress. Alright, so we're just about finished uploading the files here. And now once this is complete, what we're going to do is go back into the WordPress backend, and I'm going to activate the plugin. So we've got 3 more files to go. Okay, so that's complete. If there's any failed transfers, just try and upload those again. Back over to your browser. If I go back to my plugins screen, and I'm just going to click on this installed plugins to refresh the page. you'll see contact form 7 is now there, and what I can do is just click on activate, and that's the plugin installed. So if you can install the plugin automatically by going just add new, if your server allows that's great. Otherwise, now you know how to do it manually if you need to.